Trading refers to the process of buying and selling goods, services, or financial instruments with the intention of making a profit. It's like a barter system where people exchange items of value to fulfill their needs or make a profit. In modern times, trading commonly refers to buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, bonds, currencies, or commodities. These transactions take place on various platforms, such as stock exchanges or online trading platforms. When trading, people aim to buy assets at a lower price and sell them at a higher price. For example, if you buy a stock at $10 per share and sell it later at $15 per share, you make a profit of $5 per share. Traders analyze market conditions, such as supply and demand, news, and economic factors, to predict price movements. They use this information to make informed decisions about when to buy or sell an asset. Trading involves risks, as prices can fluctuate rapidly, and there's always a chance of losing money if the market moves against your expectations. Therefore, it's important to have a good understanding of the market, use risk management strategies, and stay updated on relevant information to make more successful trades.